Prayers and lawsuits can break the asset protection that you have with an irrevocable trust. It depends on the timing of when you set up this irrevocable trust and put the assets inside of it. So let's go through two examples to show you how this can play out. Let's say you get into a car accident, you severely injure someone, and you think that a lawsuit is coming or you have a lawsuit served to you. If in that time frame you set up an irrevocable trust and put your assets inside that trust, you are defrauding creditors. So what's going to happen is they will take you to court. The judge is going to look at when the accident happened, when the lawsuit was served, when you put the assets inside the irrevocable trust, and they're going to deem that you were trying to defraud creditors, and they're going to make you likely take those assets out of the irrevocable trust and pay off those judgments for that lawsuit. Again, if you have debts that you cannot pay off, whether it's business debts, partnership debts, personal loans, etc., and you realize that you cannot make those payments, and then you put those assets inside of an irrevocable trust to protect the assets that you do have, they're again going to look at the timeline of things. So when you start accumulating those debts, when you stop having the ability to make those payments, when you put those assets inside the irrevocable trust, and they're going to likely make you take those assets out of the irrevocable trust and pay the debts off to those individuals, especially if the assets inside the irrevocable trust can cover all the debts that you have. So it's all about the timing. If you time it incorrectly, it could be considered defrauding creditors. So you have to time it correctly. If you want help setting any of this up, click link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk some more.